Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Okay, and I can see Amanya is showing such lovely drawing of Radha and Krishna. Wow, very good. Send it on my Instagram ID, okay? And yes, the drawing which we learned last class, it's ready. And we know this drawing which you can see on your screen. Today we were having a free workshop, है ना? Yeah, if you remember last class, I invited you for that. So this artwork we learned today's class, okay? This artwork we learn in today's class. And if you were not able to attend this class, don't worry. This complete class is saved on my Facebook, okay? So you can even go there to my Facebook and you can attend the class now also, okay? So if you want to learn this work, because this is environment-based special drawing, and if you want to make it, है ना? Very simple birds, very simple three-dimensional fishes. You can make it now also. Its complete recording is saved on Facebook. Okay, so don't worry if you miss the class. Okay, so now let's come back to our class, our work, and that was the lovely drawing of Peppa Pigs. Yes. Okay, so without delay, we will start. Okay, so hopefully you all must have given outlines. Huh? You all have given outlines now? So now today we will start our work. Okay. I will do one thing. I will remove this work as it is three-dimensional. It will create problem for our work. Yes. Now let's get started. Okay. So last class students, we learned this drawing. Okay. And how to draw, how to color, everything we learned. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Thumbs up with what? Badi wali smile. Can I see a badi wali smile? And today, a very special day, we have Environment Day. So today, by learning this drawing, we will give promise to Mother Environment. Okay, what promise is that? I will tell you. Okay. So first we draw. Second step, we give outlines. And third step, we erase. Okay. So take your eraser and erase extra lines. All extra lines you can erase. Okay. And after erasing, I just want to check the work because now after outline, your work is very clear. Will you please all lift up your work and show? Show me. Wow, this is great. Amazing. So wonderful drawings of Peppa Pigs you all made. Lovely. Excellent. Chalo, let's get back to work. Okay, today we need little cotton also, little earbud. Okay, so keep that also ready. And I will erase all extra line gently and clean it. So see, now my drawing is absolutely clean. Now I will start with my work. So this Peppa, I will be using dark pink and pink color. No, red color, hai na? Red color in Peppa's body. So I will take red color and I will give outline with dark pink. Okay, pink and red, dark pink and red. Take these two colors and let's start with dress. First, I will give outlines with dark pink color. How to move? You will hold your color like a pencil. You will go for small, small strokes. Okay, all around. Yes. Okay, small, 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 small strokes. Okay, we'll move around this container, this pot to give water to plants and everywhere. Okay, you will not pressurize your color with small strokes and one direction you will continue. This way. Okay. Yes. Come on, do this. Okay. And in the story, what happened when Peppa and George, they probably visit their grandpa's house, and grandpa loved gardening. Okay, every time Peppa is grandpa of Peppa and George gave seeds of flowers, plants, trees. So one day they asked, Grandpa, why you grow so much plants? You love trees because of this? So Grandpa replied, okay, after giving outlines, you will take red, and from where you will start? You will start from here. Start from here. Small standing lines. Okay, no, never start from center. No, you will start from here. Okay. So Grandpa said, yes, I love to plant more and more trees and flowers. Do you know how plants and trees help us? They give us lovely flowers. They give us fruit. This phase, na, Grandpa, they asked. So Grandpa said, yes, undoubtedly they give us fruits to eat. They give us wonderful flowers and all. But a great work all trees are doing. What's that? George asked. Grandpa replied, you know what? Every day lots of smoke is going into air. Peppa asked, from where the smoke is coming? Grandpa replied, don't you know so many factories are and so many vehicles? We all are using vehicles. So very poisonous and harmful gases are coming out of it. And they are in such great quantity. All big factories, they are throwing poisonous and harmful polluted air in air. And it is causing the deterioration in environment. Our environment is getting polluted and more polluted. So plants and trees, they are doing a great work for us. See, this way I did red in Peppa's dress. Okay. You also do start from here. Okay. And don't change direction with small strokes, one direction, and make sure no pressure on your color. Okay. Without putting pressure, you will keep doing. Continue doing. Can I check it? Those who have done, please show. Yes, wonderful. And you know what? Today I'm going to teach you one more thing. We will take a promise and I will teach you how we can grow a plant out of seeds. Yes, every day we are eating fruits and we just throw away the seeds. But don't you know that a big tree is hidden behind that small seed? I will teach today how you can grow a plant with that small seed. Okay. Tell me how many of you want to learn. Show thumbs up. Yes, we all want to learn. Yes, so we will learn that. Okay. Chalo. So now after this, let's complete the dress of George. Now George is also saying, hey, you have colored Peppa's dress. Color my dress also. Okay, George, I will color your dress also. Okay. So take dark blue and light blue. Okay. Because George is every time copying Peppa. Whatever Peppa is doing, George just copy him. And same is happening in our house also. The elder, those who are elder, we try to copy them, isn't it? So when Grandpa make them realize, okay, take dark blue color and simply go for small lines and a beautiful outline. Okay, small strokes, one direction. Make sure you will not go for big strokes, okay? Yes. So this ways, you will be giving outlines all around. And now George is happy because now we are coloring George's dress also. Okay. So when Peppa and George, when they were listening to trees and Grandpa was explaining, and you know, trees and plants are doing one great work for us. All that poisonous smoke they are consuming for making their food. And in return, they are giving us oxygen to breathe. If they will not work this ways, we will not get oxygen to breathe and we can die even. Okay. So they were surprised. Oh my God, we were not knowing that trees are doing such great work for us day and night. Grandpa said, yes, we should be grateful. What then? Then Grandpa continued, but I'm very sad to say one thing. What's that? George asked. That we are cutting trees now. We are cutting so many trees every second, every minute. And we are not even thinking that if we will cut trees, these are oxygen banks of our earth. If we will cut these trees, who will eat that polluted air? Who will give us oxygen to breathe? There will be no oxygen and there will be nothing to breathe. And without breathing, how we will be able to survive? Peppa said, if there will be no oxygen left, what will happen, Grandpa? Will you please tell me? Grandpa said, yes, we all will die. If there will be no oxygen to breathe, we will die. Grandpa and Peppa, they were surprised. Oh, if we are cutting trees on a great level, every minute, every second, if we are cutting trees, then slowly and slowly the jungles will get finished. Grandpa replied, yes, my dears, unfortunately, it is happening. See, I completed Peppa and George both. I want to check it. Please lift up your work. Wow, very beautiful. Lovely. Now let's make face. So I will take dark pink and light pink, normal pink. Take out these two colors. Okay. Yes, I'm waiting, Shravya. Finish it. Okay. Then what happened? They were surprised. And Grandpa said, unfortunately, today also we are not realizing. We have cleared almost the all jungle. Very small part of jungle is left. And if we will finish that also, we will hardly be having oxygen to breathe. And today we are suffering so many lung diseases and different diseases because we don't have pure air to breathe even. What is the solution? Peppa was very much worried. And same was repeated by George. Please, Grandpa, tell us the solution. Okay, now take dark pink color and fill this circle. Start from corner and finish. You can even move round. Okay, only this pink circle, we will do dark. Okay, here also. Dark pink color. Okay. So George and Peppa, they asked, Grandpa, please tell us what is the solution? What is the solution for this problem? So, yes. After doing this, you will take this color. You do one thing, put little color in ear also. Okay, put little color in ear and in George ear also. Okay. Yes. Then Grandpa said, the solution is very simple. They both asked, what is that? Please tell us. So Grandpa said, simply start collecting seeds of fruits. Okay. So I will be showing how Grandpa explained. Okay, now for 1 minute, all of you stop and listen to the explanation of Grandpa. All of you stop. Then Grandpa said, the solution is very simple. Start collecting seeds. These are seeds of jamun. Okay, whatever fruits you are eating, simply collect seeds. Then Peppa and George, they asked, this small seed is having a big tree. I can't believe this. But Grandpa said, yes, each seed is having a big tree hidden behind. Then how will it come out? George asked. Grandpa replied, it is so simple. Take a pot, okay, and simply dig a small, and simply put your seed inside and then cover it with soil. Okay, and give water, limited water. Okay, how much water? George asked. So Grandpa replied, give 1 glass water every morning. George was so happy. George immediately went in and got little water to give. Then what will happen? Peppa asked, will baby plants come? Grandpa said, yes. After 14 days, small baby plants will come like this. You can see the small baby plants. This is a small chotu plant. Small plants will come out from your, okay, this way, small plants will come out. And then what will happen? Will they grow? Yes, in few months, they will grow bigger. I will show how. In few months, it will be having lots of leaves. Now, what we are supposed to do afterwards? Peppa and George asked. Grandpa said, afterwards, after nurturing, after keeping your plant in small pot for 1 year, okay, it will become big. Then you are supposed to plant it in soil. And in few years, it will become a big tree. And lots of birds, lots of animals. It will be very helpful and give us lots of oxygen. Peppa and George, they started collecting seeds. They started collecting seeds of jamun, berries, mango, oranges. They start collecting and they start growing plants. When they put the seed, small tiny plants started coming out like this. Small tiny plants, okay? And slowly, all the plants grow in with lush leafy tree. And then they decided, now this is the time to work hard. And they decided they will plant those trees on all globe. Okay. And they started working hard. They both together make this board. Okay. Now all of you take your pink color and start doing it from here. Okay. So they got the technique of making plants. And this is the technique, students. Even you can make plants using this technique. From today onwards, whatever fruits are coming out to your house, lychee, falsif, and bears and oranges, collect seeds. Don't throw them off. And simply put them in soil. Give water once a week, once a day. Every morning, 1 glass water. And slowly, baby plants will come in 15 days. And 1 year, you're supposed to keep that in a small pot for 1 year. And next year, you can plant it in a park or in your lawn. And it will become a big tree in few years. Don't change direction of colors. Keep doing in one direction. Peppa and George, they started collecting each and every seed. They informed their friends also, hey, if you have seeds, don't throw it off. Please collect and give it to us. All the friends of Peppa and George started asking, hey, Peppa and George, what you are going to do with this all useless seeds? Peppa and George said, they are not useless. George explained, don't you know? A big tree is hidden in a small tree, small seed. Each seed is having a small tree inside. So all friends said, oh, we were not knowing this. Okay, we will collect, friend, and give seeds to you. And Peppa and George, they made a big board. On that they write, save trees, save life, because now they were knowing if there will be no trees, there will be no oxygen. If no oxygen, how to breathe? And if we will not be able to breathe, there will be no life. Everywhere there will be death, death, and death. So they decided they will work hard. They collected all seeds, and from their friends also, they were having lots of seeds. Outside their garden, they just started planting small, all seeds and giving them water every day. Okay, George just put a board, save trees, save life in their garden. Okay, do ears also? Same ways. And small, tiny hands also, we will be doing same ways. Okay, hands. This hand. And every day, Peppa and George, they were working hard. You know how many plants they grow? They grow countless plants, countless plants. And they start planting it everywhere. And after looking at that, they asked, Mother Earth, are you happy? Are you able to breathe now? We are planting trees for you. Our grandpa told us that you are not able to breathe, my Mother Earth. If I will grow plants, I know you will be able to breathe. You will be happy. You will be healthy. Are you happy? Mother Earth replied, yes, my dear Pepper. Yes, my dear George. I'm so happy. Because of you, I'm getting so much of fresh air. I'm happy. Please keep growing this kind of plants everywhere. Can you do this for me, my child? Peppa and George, they promised Mother Earth. Yes, my dear Mother Earth, we will do that. And we will keep doing till we will make this complete globe colorful. And they started planting trees everywhere, everywhere. Okay? So today is a very special day, Environment Day. है ना? We celebrate it as Environment Day. But simply celebrating or making a drawing is not enough. Okay, take determination. Okay, now I will make my Mother Earth happy. Mother Earth is not able to breathe. All lush green trees we cut every second. We are cutting trees, cutting, and cutting. We are not planting more trees. And because of this, the pollution is increasing day by day. Okay. So if we really want to save Mother Earth and ourselves also, then we will have to start planting more and more trees. Okay. So they started doing same. They keep planting trees. And when the sapling was coming out and growing, they were growing it nearby park, nearby mandir, temple, and a nearby lawn. They were requesting everyone around, please adopt a plant from us and grow it in your lawn. And those who were living in apartment, they were requesting, please adopt a plant from us and grow in a pot in your balcony. And so even if you don't have a lawn or a park, you can make your small garden in balcony. Okay, take small pots. Otherwise, take bottles. Take plastic bottles and cut and make some holes, fill soil and grow plants. Okay. So today we are supposed to promise Mother Earth. Tell me how many of you are going to promise Mother Earth. Show thumbs up that Mother Earth, we will make you happy. We will not let you be sick because we love you. Okay. This promise we are supposed to make to our Mother Earth today. Then actually the Environment Day, in correct way, we are celebrating. Let's color this hand also. Come on. Okay. And this way they worked hard. They make the whole environment green, clean, and slowly take gray color. Okay, you can take gray color, simple gray, and start from here. From here. Come on, start doing. Very good. That's very nice, Kiani, that you planted. And you know what? You can plant trees, saplings. And on your birthday, decide today that every birthday you will plant a tree. Okay, a plant of a tree you will plant. And on birthday also, give plants and saplings in return gift. At the place of giving chocolate or anything else, give a plant to them. And they will be more than happy. If any guest is coming to your house, at place of gifting a bouquet or gift, give a plant. Slowly. And every birthday, plant a tree. Okay, request your mom. Mama, I don't want a dress or a gift, but I want to grow a plant. And those who are living in apartment, they can grow plant near window, in balcony. They can make their small garden. So today's Environment Day. Let's promise Mother Earth we will do this and we will make you happy. Okay. So see, I make this pot gray. Finish this? Yes. How was the story? If you like, you can show a thumbs up with Badi Wali smile. Yes, this was the story. And I gave you demonstration also. How to collect seeds, how to take a pot, how to put a seed. Now you know the technique. How many of you got the technique of growing a plant with seeds? You all know now? It is very simple now. Is this difficult? No? Simple? Yes? So now start collecting seeds and start growing plants and a baby plant will come. Okay. Now see, I completed this. Now is the time for making this board. I want to give a frame of brown. Okay. So simply take brown and color outlines. Don't do colors inside, only a frame, because I want to show white color only. Kian planted a new plant today only. Very good, Kian. You have really celebrated Environment Day in a true way. And today I did activity specially, okay? So that, and because of this only, today we are learning this very special drawing on Environment Day. Okay, in any competition, if any competition in school or anywhere else, you can try this drawing there. Simply go for framing. Don't fill inside, simply outlines. Okay. And yes, that's very good. Yes, it made rain also. The rain, the balance of rain is disturbing. Underground water level is disturbing. And soil erosion is happening. So many things are happening because we are cutting plants. Plants and trees. So we should save them. So now see, this board is ready and I just color brown color here also. Okay. Take black color and complete shoes. You all know the colors. Complete shoes. And I will be doing one more thing, students. I will take pink color, George and Peppa, both with black shoes. Pink color, I will move on hands also. And legs also. Okay, hands and legs also. Pink color, okay? Simply take pink color and do it here. Okay, Tanay also planted a chiku seed today. Very good. That's really great. Okay? So see, today now it is evening time, but tomorrow you can plant a seed. Okay? And you can say, while planting a seed, you can say, Mother Earth, see, for your happiness, for your health, I'm planting this. Very soon it will grow. It will become big and all birds will make nest over it. They will eat fruits which will grow over it. Honeybees will suck nectar from the flowers which will grow over it. So now see, my Peppa and George, they are ready. I want to check your work. Will you please lift up your work? Show. Yes. Wow, very nice. Lovely, amazing. Shabash. Now let's complete Sun. Okay. Sun was continuously saying, hey, Peppa and George, I'm so happy you are working hard for Mother Earth. Yellow and orange. Okay. Yes. What I will do, I will take orange and I will start in Sun. From where? Not in center, from side. Small, small strokes, one direction. Okay, make sure you will not put pressure on your color. Simply go for standing lines and finish this complete Sun. Okay, come on. Finish this properly. Sun is so happy. Trees are so happy. Few trees have turned in trees, but they didn't stop. They decide that we will keep doing this for Mother Earth whole life. And we will make this complete globe clean. Fill orange and make one outer circle with yellow. Okay? And you know what? You can even grow plants in plastic bottles. Plastic is a great waste. It is very troubling our Mother Earth a lot. So you can simply take waste containers, waste plastic bottles, waste plastic bags, and you can grow plants in that. Okay. You can paint your bottles with acrylic colors. And on your birthday, you can give those plants to your friends as a return gift. And this way, you will recycle plastic also. And you will grow, spread greenery also. Now take yellow color and start from here. Okay, start from here, standing line. Come on, all of you, start from here. Small standing lines. Okay. Yes. And this will be done. Okay. Finish this. Yes. Yellow outside, orange inside. I will take my sky blue color, light blue color. Take light blue color and let's make our sky. How to make sky? I will start from here. I will start from top. Light, light. Now sky we will do not do dark. We will do it light, light. Come on. Start doing small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Continue, continue. Sleeping line. See here, very limited space. Now, so what students do? They change their direction. No, but we will not do that. We will go for sleeping lines. Don't put any pressure on your color. The moment you will put pressure on your color, what will happen? Lines will appear and it will spoil your work. So very gently, very softly, everywhere you will keep one direction and a small space. So you will be going for small strokes. But you will not change direction. Okay. Sky blue color. I will not do sky blue everywhere. Near earth, I will be doing light green. Small sleeping lines. Come on, do this. Will not go in board. You have fabrical paint colors now. So you can simply cut bottles, plastic bottles, and you can paint them and you can grow plant in it. Okay. So you can gift, when you will gift that bottle, it will look like a lovely planter. And this ways you can reuse waste bottle. No need to go to market and purchase expensive pots and make countless plants so that whoever is coming to you, when the schools will start, you can gift a plant to your teacher. And after a long gap, you will be meeting your teachers and friends. So you can grow plants this way and you can give to your friends, teachers, relatives, everyone. See, this ways I will be doing till here and now I will take green color. I will take green. Okay, till here only you will be doing. Near Peppa's and George face. Only till this much part you will be doing and then I will take light green color. Okay, come on. Finish this side also. And this side also, this middle gap. Fill this. Okay, this background is very, very important. We know this, right? We know this. Okay, I want to check the work. Will you please lift up your work? Show all of you. Okay, you all are giving wash. Okay, fine. Continue with your work. Very nice. Finish it, finish it. Finish it, okay? I'm waiting. My second color is going to be green. Okay, light green. And now I will start with light green. Okay, light green. See, remaining sky you can do after the class. Okay, if your sky is left, you can do it after the class. Now start with light green color. Sleeping lines everywhere. You will not change direction. And your line should not go in Peppa and George body. Okay, small sleeping lines and do green. Okay, light green color. This is light green color. Okay. So this ways I change my color and here near earth, I will be doing light green color. Okay, continue. Small lines. Make sure there will be no pressure on your color. Remaining part of sky, you can do afterwards. Okay, don't worry. So be in rhythm like this only. When I step on to next, you can also step on to next, and remaining work you can do after the class. Okay. Now I will do this green. Okay. See this face. I did blue, then green, and I will simply continue. I'm waiting. Continue. Small strokes, one direction. And you will not change direction, okay? You're supposed to move your color in one direction only. Yes. Okay, finish it. I'm waiting. Everywhere, wherever there is space, you will not change direction. Okay? Very nice. Shabash. Wonderful. All of you show. Yes, many students are showing thumbs down. Don't worry, I'm waiting for you. Finish your work. Okay? Okay, done. All of you have done? Yes? No? Show thumbs down if you want me to wait for you. Okay. Okay, Kashvi, I've seen your thumbs down. Yes, Anaira. Yes, Divyansh. I can see your thumbs down. Continue. Okay? Make sure you will not change direction. You will be moving your color in one direction. Small strokes. Hold your color like a pencil as you hold your pencil. Yes, very good. Ananya is showing her work. It is very nicely done. Good. Okay. Lovely. Very good. Try Jen. And yes. Done. All of you. Many students are still giving wash. I'm waiting. Continue. Okay. Yes. I can see your thumbs down. Continue. I'm waiting. Now, I will take yellow ochre color. Have you all done? Show thumbs up or thumbs down. Oh, yes. Very good. Thumbs up with what? Don't forget the rule of class. Thumbs up with badi wali smile. Isbal, you want more time? You want more time to do it up? Isbal? Okay. Few students want little more time to complete. I'm waiting. Okay, finish. Okay, I'm complete. Finish it. I'm waiting for you. I will wait for 2 more minutes and then we will step on because lots of watercolors is also left. Today we need watercolors also. So you continue, okay? I will be giving you 2 minutes more and then I will step on to. Now, what I will be doing, I will take yellow ochre color. Acha, now students, listen. If your green and sky blue color is left now, you can do after class. Okay? Don't worry, you can do after class. Now, all of you take your yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Okay, take this yellow ochre color and start doing this ground part. This land was brown. Sleeping lines everywhere. Start from top. Okay, so many flowers will come in your coloring, but you will not change direction. Okay, slowly, slowly. You will make this complete land was of this kind. But Peppa and George, they just turn it beautiful, colorful after growing so much of trees, so many trees, and so many plants. Okay, so we are supposed to learn the same. If Peppa and George can do, why can't we? We can also do. Growing a plant from a seed is not at all difficult. Simply collect it, put it in soil, cover it, and give 1 glass water every morning. You will be giving only once a day, okay? You will not give water every time. Otherwise, what will happen? Because of lots of water, your plant and seed will die. Only 1 glass water every morning to one plant, okay? So this ways, slowly and slowly, you will be having so many plants which you can grow in your garden. See this ways, okay? Small, small. Sleeping line. You will not change direction. The only thing you are supposed to keep in mind that no pressure on your color and no change in direction. So many flowers are growing on this ground, but I will not change direction of my coloring. I will keep moving my colors in one direction, small strokes, one direction, small strokes, one direction. Very little part of what plastic crayon is left. And then we will come on our favorite watercolors. See, this part is also land. Let's complete this land part also. Sleeping line, no change in direction, and finish. Okay, same here. And finish. This ways, you will get 3 land part and everywhere they grow plants. Wherever they find the land is without plants, they grow plant. Okay? Yes. Very carefully, very smartly, without changing direction of your colors, you will be making this land part yellow ochre. Okay, if you don't have yellow ochre, you can even use golden. And if you don't have golden also, then you can use brown also. Okay. Yes, Abhijan Basu, you have done. Abhijan, show. Wow, it's looking great. Very good, Ananya. Okay, okay. I can see your thumbs down. Continue. I'm waiting. Very nice. Sharanya, Jia, Jasnam. And this is Dikshit. Very well done. Shabash. Garvit, Kriyansh, Lakshmi. They are showing their work. The rest are busy doing. Shanaya. Such lovely work. Very good. Okay, those who are doing coloring, continue. Subhastik, Akshita, Ridvika, Arna, Mihira. Very good, very good. Okay, you all send me your artwork on Instagram, and I will send my messages. Do you listen my messages which I sent for you? Yes? Huh? After when I receive your artwork, I send voice messages for you. You all must be listening that. Okay, now take blue color, sky blue color. This is water. Okay, so start doing this water because this is complete globe And now this environment day is a occasion which we celebrate on global level. Okay. Small sleeping lines everywhere. Small sleeping lines. Light. This is sky blue color. Okay. You will be going for light coloring. Yes. Okay. And from here also you will start with standing lines, sleeping lines, small strokes, one direction, no change in direction of coloring, no pressure on your colors. Don't forget these things. You're supposed to keep them in mind. And with this, your plastic clear crayon coloring is over. Now watercolor work. Okay, your favorite. Yes, so I completed this land part here. I did yellow ochre. Here it is blue. And now we will be doing watercolors. Okay, show me how it is done. Shabash, very beautiful. Lovely. Great, very nice. Okay. Now be ready with a water container, cotton and earbud. Okay. And flowers you can make of your choice. Any color you can use. Colorful flowers we can make. Hai na? So little cotton is required. Earbud. Okay. Now what we are going to do? Finished? All of you have finished? Yes? Now see what we can do. The remaining coloring you can do after class. Okay? All of you stop doing coloring now. Stop doing coloring. Remaining coloring can be done after the class. Now you all start with our watercolor work. What you do, you simply take, let's take earbud work. Okay, let's do earbud work. Otherwise the whole complete hand will turn dirty. Take earbud, open your green color. Take earbud, open your yellow color. Yellow, orange, red, pink. I want to make flowers of all colors, right? Anna? Yes, orange, yellow, red, pink. Anna? Yes. So dip your earbud in water. Come on, dip it in water. And then let's take pink color. I love pink color. I will take my favorite pink color first. And I will start doing flowers. How to do, see? I will make dots, 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 dots in complete circle. Fill this with dots. Same I will do here. Pink flower, dot, 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 dot. Wow, it's looking great. I will make one more flower with pink. Okay. If you don't have pink, you can take red, you can take orange. Ananya, Amanya, you can take orange and yellow also. Any other color you can take. Okay. This ways, you will be completing your earbud technique. Okay. Those who don't have watercolors and earbuds, Avi, you please click on active speaker view. You will be able to listen and hear me. Okay. And Shravya, thank you so much. May God bless you. Okay, so see this ways. I will be making 3 flowers with pink. Okay. You can try another colors also. I will be making red. I love red. So I will take red and I will be making red flowers also. Simply dot, dot, dot in all flowers. Some red and some pink. If you want to add other colors also, you can, but I'm going to make pink and red only. Okay. Pink and red. And if want, I can even select orange. One flower can be orange. Yellow also you can try. Simply I put earbud technique. Avi, you do one thing, you leave class and rejoin. Okay, I think it will help you out. Now see, my last flower is left. I will be doing it with orange. I will take orange and I will do this with orange. Wow, orange is looking great. So see, this ways I will make one flower orange also. Okay. So see, my pink, red, orange flowers are ready. Now you will not change your earbud. With same earbud, don't change your earbud. With same earbud, you will be taking brown. Okay, you will be taking brown. With same earbud, you will take brown and simply start moving in trunk of trees. If you feel that your earbud is very dry, you can simply take little water and start moving your earbud in tree. Do it carefully. Don't worry if it mess up. Although you try not to do that, but keep doing, keep trying. Okay, I will take brown again. And I will complete it. And you must be thinking every time ma'am is including little amount of watercolors. Why? Because you know, for this age group, watercolor is the best medium for improving your focus and enhancing your interest for coloring. Okay. And because of this, I always keep little part of watercolors. Kids just love to play with watercolors. And besides this, you will slowly start having command over. And have you observed? If you will use this technique now, Avi, so your color will not mess up. Okay. Slowly and slowly, you will be having better command on earbud and colors. You know? Maybe initially, mess up you must have created, but afterwards, you will find that you are able to manage with everything. Okay. So I'm doing brown here, slowly and slowly. Can you observe? You all are lost in doing this work. This is the magic of watercolors. Lots of focus. Because you know, if you will lose your focus, your color will be spoiled. So your focus is on the optimum level, great level. And this is very helpful in improving focus for everything. Okay. So I made trees, trunk of trees with brown using the same earbud. I will change earbud and take green for showing leaves. Okay. Do it first. I'm waiting. Don't worry. I'm waiting. Okay. Make trunk of trees very nicely. Very good. Same you're supposed to do with green. Okay, I will be making green leaves. You can make them dark green or light green. Any color. Simply take earbud and fill in leaves carefully. Again, it's a very small object and you will find your involvement in work, your focus level is on extreme. Okay, come on. If you want to make leaves of different colors, some light green, some dark green, some sap green, yes, you can do that. Okay, you can do that. And this ways my leaves with earbuds ready. Okay, now whenever free on rough paper, you can try this kind of watercolor techniques. Earbud and cotton is easy to manage for younger ones. Okay. And when I just went through many artworks and many activity books of different classes and different schools, I found that lots of watercolor activities are there in activity books. So this activities, watercolor experiments we are doing will definitely help you in your activity books also. Okay. Now you will see that you are more capable for handling watercolors, because every class we are learning it in this or that way. And see, I completed all leaves. All leaves I completed. And wow, my garden is looking so great. It's looking great. Okay, come on, finish this. All of you. Trunk of tree. If you feel that your earbud is having no colors, you can take water. Okay, if it is very dry, you can take little water also. Now, last but not the least, have you done? All of you have done? Samaira, you have done? Samaira Kapoor? Yes, show thumbs up. Done? Oh, wow, looking great. Wonderful. Shabash. Okay, now the simplest technique, that is simply take little cotton, your favorite tap technique. Cotton, dip it in water, and with help of earbud, take little green color. Okay, now I'm going to use dark green color. Take green color and simply go for tap, 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 tap. This texture is very useful for making charts. You know, in chart, when you make big trees, the coloring is very difficult. But you can try this. It will make your work quick and very beautiful to see. Because we find a very great texture when we do this. Come on, tap, 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 tap. Don't worry if your hands will turn green. Okay, you are artist now, so your hand will become colorful. Don't worry. Continue tap, 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 tap. Okay. Same here. These trees have also grown big. Tap, 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 tap. Simply tap, 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 and finish. Okay, slowly and slowly you will finish your both the trees, and they're so happy that few plants have turned into big trees, and so many birds are making their nest, eating the fruits and the flowers which are growing. Honeybees are coming every day, and they are saying thank you to George and Peppa. You grow so many plants and flowers for us. No one was thinking about us, but you think about us. Thank you so much. They just thank both of them. And this way, your Peppa Pig drawing is ready. Okay. We learn so many techniques. Okay. So many techniques we learn. And watercolored work will definitely help you in gaining stability and focus. Okay. So this is all about our today's artwork. Very beautiful, lovely. Don't forget to send it on our Instagram ID. Okay, you know our Instagram ID now. And students, if you want to get enrolled in the summer camp, okay, see the summer camp will start from 8 June to 19 June. Okay, we are going to teach you 7 art pieces, and art pieces are of the kind which even you can make. Okay, we've selected syllabus so smartly that manageable for everyone, but wonderful and very mature. But everyone can do it. Okay. Charges are just 199 rupees. It means 200 rupees for 7 art pieces. Okay. For all 7 art pieces, charges are very nominal. Please get yourself enrolled quickly. Summer camp will start from 8th. No, summer camp won't get included in this. If you are already you have enrolled for uh, classes, so classes will go on their normal time. Classes will be held on normal time. The timing of summer camp is 2 to 4 afternoon. Okay. So those who are attending summer camps and alternate day, thrice a week. Okay, summer camps we have thrice a week, not every day. Because of this, for 7 art pieces, it will and Father's Day special activity also we will be teaching. You will be, because 20th is Father's Day, so you will learn a lovely artwork and craft work for Father's Day. So please get enrolled quickly. Otherwise, the seats will get full and you won't be get enrolled yourself. So this was all about today's learning and today's lovely story. And don't forget today's Environment Day. Promise in your heart that Mother Earth, I will grow plants, more and more plants for you. How many of you are going to do this? Show thumbs up with badi wali smile. I will see the big smile. It means big promise. Yes. Ha, Kartavya, you don't want to promise? Yes. Okay. So chalo now. With this, I will wind up class. Show me your work. If done, show me. Yes, lovely. Excellent. Don't forget to send it on my Instagram ID. Okay. I'm waiting for your artwork. And this drawing you can try for Environment Day special activity. Suppose any activity is there, any competition is there, you can try this drawing. Go green, save nature, stop pollution. You can try this drawing. Okay. So the concept of today's drawing is go green or save environment, save trees, save life. So with lots of blessings and love, I will wind up class. Bye-bye. Take care. May God bless you. Bye, students.